Hello everyone and welcome on PlanningPME Web Access. Today we are going to see how to manage efficiently your people healthcare activity. First, create a task on your schedule. Do a right click and select Add Service. Choose one service in the drop-down list. Select your customer. In our case, the task begins at 11 to 13. It will be a periodic task on 1 week. When you create a periodic task, you have to choose the days of the recurrence. You will have to define the start of your task and its end. Click on Save and your task will appear on your schedule. One of your employees is missing. Add an unavailability on your schedule. Select the type of unavailability and save. Let's change the type of view on your schedule. First, we will see the customer view. After that, we will see the view per services. You can also display your schedule per week or per day. You can add filters. It allows you to filter the data in real time. In our case, we are going to focus on the meals. Then all of the other type of services will disappear. Click on the left side button to cancel filter. Go on our website to try by yourself.